No, 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 no! Night I was playing in Venice, 150 million, because somehow I'm number one on my league this time. I'm usually number 2 or 3 because I don't play that much, but this time I am number one, and with, I mean, not that much winnings. I think right now I'm at 15 billion, and I matched against a previous world topper. He's also currently at the last time I saw, he was number 20 on the World League. So you're seeing the account name. You should go open your game and see. So let's see what happened. It was my break in the first game. I just did the break. Now, obviously, I knew him. He knew me. And this time, I said, feel the beat. And the first shot, I was very confused which ball to start with. And then I went for this brown. As you people are seeing, the left side of the table is not very nice. So now, I'm adding top right spin. Full force, I'm gonna hit this shot. He says stay cool because he knows. I mean, I cleared everything up, but I was just unlucky that I had to scratch in the top left pocket. So really not much I could have done about that. But then again, a loss is a loss, even if you lose by an inch, as I say. So now he's obviously gonna clear the table. He's a great player, man. The way he clears tables, and also I pretty much knew that he's gonna win the game from this point, and pretty simply punch the black ball. That's it. And now we are gonna play again. And this time it's gonna be his break. So you people know when a world topper gets the break, he simply denies it. So pretty nicely cleared the table again. I was shocked. And there goes the second game. So he won twice. If this were a best of 3, he already won, to be honest. Now this was the third game. Watch this. Now in this third game, from some point we started playing in direct, and it got even better, like much better. Then he's spotting the red ball in the bottom right pocket. Notice the black ball and all. This requires a lot of precision. He's gonna go for it, adjust the force, and very nice and clean shot this was. The force adjustment was very nice in this shot, I'm gonna say. Now, oh my god, even better, I'm gonna say. He's gonna touch the yellow to the black and then put the yellow in the bottom left pocket. So once again, very proper force and aim calculated on this shot. And he messed up this shot. I mean, the black ball, he messed up. Yeah, now it's gonna be my chance. So there goes the green ball. And now something crazy is about to happen. Obviously, we were playing in direct, so I call the top right pocket. I'm aiming like this. I'm not gonna tell what's gonna happen. Let's find out. That's how the picture got ended. This was a very nice shot. One of my best shots, I'm gonna say, as far as I remember. So I was aiming like this once again, and watch, man, it's a double kick shot, obviously. There we go. The cue ball's gonna go. Absolutely fantastically calculated shot. And I do not scratch. The best thing, you know, my cue ball was going in the bottom right pocket. We do not scratch, and we won the game. So, and I left after that. I also made this emote. I'm sorry, man, if you're watching this, but I got so excited after this shot that I just, you know, I was feeling like there's a chat back. I'm the king of the world in this game as well. So I was feeling like that, like, no, sorry, this was too much. So yeah, man, that's pretty nice playing with him. He's unbelievable. No need to describe, man. He's top of the world league, so there's no description needed. But the last shot really cheered up my mood. His denial really, and his shot on the red ball and the yellow ball, phenomenal. Yes, now let's go to the actual gameplay. Will not do that. I'm gonna do that in the next video. My tongue slipped a bit. But the thing is, what I'm gonna do right now is, it's like a mini fantasy of mine. I've told you people so many times that I wanna see, always if you wanna check how a dark themed queue looks, go on the Toronto table, because that table is totally white, so it just matches by contrast. 2 days ago, I made a video about this being my favorite queue, the headbanger queue, and I'm gonna play in Toronto. I just wanna see how this queue looks. Well, I can't exactly say that this is my new favorite queue. Looks-wise, maybe. And a lot of people don't agree with me. It's not my break. He messes up the game. He puts one of my balls, and this table is very bad. So let's try. This is a challenge, so let's try to clear this table. Obviously, I have to go for the yellow ball first. I will be able to clear this table. But I'm gonna go for the green ball, then the purple. When I will go for the purple ball, watch carefully. Then I will try to clear my orange. No! Ah, there's one more chance. There's one more chance. Can I put the purple right now? Yeah, that. Okay. Wait, the black is also. Should have gone for the bottom. No. Okay, let's go for a bank shot. It's gonna be a difficult bank shot, I know, in the bottom middle pocket, but maybe I'm gonna do it. Let's just assume this is Venice. I do make it. Very nice table clearance this was, man. Very nice one. This. Hit the like button right now. What are you doing? Follow me on Instagram if you want to. If you want to. I'm not forcing. There's a story as well that I uploaded of yesterday, so you guys should go and watch that on Instagram. Message me, whatever. Let's unlock this box and let's go. Now I'm gonna go to Venice. Now I'm gonna go. One thing I want to say, man, this game is much more difficult. I just went to Toronto. And when I got denied and all, people are really knowing this game now, guys. I'm telling you, it happens with every game. The same happened with Fortnite. You know, in the beginning there were mixed players, but now everyone is so skillful. So 8 bubble is also more difficult, I agree, as compared to before. Now the break is not perfect. Well, this is. I wanna. Have I messed up? I have messed. Did you guys see what happened? For me, the black ball is not in a very nice position, man. I'm not a very big professional in this game, so I'm not very good if I need to put the black ball in the bottom middle pocket. Nice one. Now I'm gonna go for the red in the bottom right. Not bad at all. Now no. Black is possible in the bottom right pocket, but it might touch the orange ball. That's what you see on itsAamir channel, man. I'm telling you. That's what we all come here every day. That's why, we all come here every day. To sit back, relax, and have a nice time. Make these amazing moments. That's why we are... I'm not going to say... I'm not going to say... Well, together we are the best, but I'm going to say you all are the best. I'm going to open, man. I can't spend 6 cash for this. This is an insane video that's going on. It will not be my break this time. Actually, I'm gonna change the queue to a legendary queue now because, okay, let's choose the Shangri-La queue and I'm gonna go to Bangkok. Let's go to Bangkok, man. In the past four videos, I'm just relaxing, you know, no pressure, nothing. 142 level. His break, definitely, and most likely a denial. 8 bubble is all about most likely, I'm gonna say, denials these days. There's no tutorial I can make about a denial. 2 things I cannot make a tutorial on. Well, bank shot, I think it's impossible to make a tutorial. But denial, I can make one. Yes, I can, and maybe I will make a tutorial. So if you guys want to, on how to deny, never give your opponent a chance, let me know. Should I make a video? Okay, let's actually try to make this an example of how to deny. So there goes the brown. Kind of messed up, man. I should have gone for the red in the bottom middle. I'm going to go for that. I'm bad in these long shots. I can't risk it. Oh, yes. Nice one. Not bad. Time to go for the purple. This is not the best way. My shot management in this match was not perfect, I'm gonna say. This could have ended in a better fashion. Now I'm gonna go for the yellow. Nice. The blue. Obviously, I had to end up. I don't know what. I'm just. Let me just focus. Alright, so if I go, obviously I have to go for the green, but I have to make proper position for the orange ball after this. Not the best, but I can pot the orange. Now I have to be, okay, wait, let me add left spin. Yeah, so you have to be extremely aware of the future of the game, at least the next shot, if not the next to next. If you are at the beginner stage, at least be aware of the next shot. But as time will pass by, as you will get more experience, you will most likely, like when the last 4 balls were remaining on this table, I had a picture like what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna finish the table. So denial is all about prediction and precision, I'm gonna say, you know. So, and for that, spin is no, not Paris. I've played Paris a lot. Let's go to Berlin. Spin is very important, man, for denial. You have to get better in this game. Spin is unbelievably important, man. Watch my spin tutorial video. That's an old tutorial, but I think there's nothing more that can be taught about spin. So it's in the description if you guys want to see the spin tutorial video. There goes the break, and I put 3 balls. Nice break, actually. Very nice break, I'm gonna say. This is a stripes game. So I'm gonna go for swim. He says swim break. Oh, what? I messed it up? Okay, so the black came down in a much better position. Now this was my luck, actually, I'm gonna say. I was extremely lucky right now. Oh, should I go for the... Nice, nice once again. Now I'm gonna go for the brown. Then the yellow. Oh, wait. This requires some... No. I'm gonna go for... I don't know, man. Let me just predict this. What an absolute dominance of a gameplay right now we are seeing on this channel, on this video right now. This is very, very nice stuff. Every single shot in this video has been to the point. Yeah. I thought I'm gonna mess up this shot and just troll myself, but again a smooth win, man. This is one of those videos, because I make videos like every day, once in 2 days. I can feel when the video is really nice, and this gameplay, back-to-back matches, is very nice, I'm gonna say. Personally, I think. Let's go to Monte Carlo. This might be the last table. No, I will go to 9-ball pool as well. Should be my... Yeah, it's my break. Let's go for this break. I usually don't do this break. Let me know how many of you people do this break. Not of... I always, like, mostly I mess up this break. Yeah, we cleared everything up. Now the black is... Oh! He's gonna win the game now. I was trying to put the brown ball in the top middle pocket, obviously, but it did not happen. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Okay, let's try to seal the deal. I'm gonna let this guy win, man. I don't wanna. I don't wanna steal anyone's coins. So let's try to go for the black. I said I'm gonna let. Obviously, this was not intentional. I said I'm gonna let him win, but I made a silly mistake. Once again, proving that every single. I'm not boasting, guys. I'm not boasting because I read a lot of comments saying that show me your losses. So this was a loss. All right. Oh, he's gonna put the purple, I guess. Yep. Oh! You got skills. She got skills from 9 win streak. 66.6 win percentage. Man, I'm leaving the game. I'm afraid right now. Just did the break against Charles from Indonesia, and I have to put which ball? Okay, the blue ball right now. I'm gonna get behind the purple. No, I'm not. I have to go for the red, but I don't think so. Directly, the red is possible. Oh, I bought the red and the black both. Nice one. Now it's time for the purple, which is going inside the top middle pocket, so why not? Nice shot once again. Alright, so the orange is again going at the top middle. I hope so my cue ball does not collide with the orange. Great stuff. Oh, nice. Now the green. This shot is gonna be difficult, so maybe I'm gonna mess up. If I'm gonna mess up, excuse me, I will end the video. But I don't mess up, the video does not need to be ended. Double banky. Oh! I did not expect it's gonna collide, but anyway, it's not that big of a deal. I think it collided maybe because of, if I used full right spin, maybe it would not have collided. So no problem, Charles win the game. Win and loss, it's part of life. So I'm gonna end the video. This was a very nice video, personally, I think, guys. Gameplay wise, this was a very nice video. So if you guys did enjoy it, once again, you have to hit the like button if you want to. Subscribe, come on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you people in the next video. Goodbye.